Hi all, today I'm going to explain the problems based on integration by using some special methods. In my previous video I explained the problems on method 1. Today here I am explaining the problems in method 2. So here the problems are in the form of integration of 1 by a plus b cos x into dx, or integration of 1 by a plus b sin x into dx, or integration of 1 by a cos x plus b sin x plus c into dx. So how we can solve these problems? So for this we have working rule, we have to follow that. So here let we have to assume tan x by t is equal to t. So by differentiating with respect to x, we get secant square x by 2 into 1 by 2 is equal to dt by dx. We know that tan x differentiation is secant square x. So tan x by 2 differentiation is secant square x by 2, and here linear function is x by 2, its differentiation is 1 by 2. So by trigonometric identities, secant square x by 2 can be written as 1 plus tan square x by 2 into 1 by 2 into dx is equal to dt. We know that secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. So from that secant square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. So from that we are getting that value. Now here I am replacing tan x by 2 as t. So it becomes 1 plus t square into 1 by t into dx is equal to dt. Now from this I am finding the value of dx. So it becomes dx is equal to 2 by 1 plus t square into dt. Next, further we have to find cos x and sin x value. So from trigonometric submultiples, here I am writing cos x equal to 1 minus tan square x by 2 by 1 plus tan square x by 2. So by applying tan x by 2 as t, it becomes cos x equal to 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square, and sin x is equal to 2 tan x by 2 by 1 plus tan square x by 2. By applying tan x by 2 as t, sin x becomes 2t by 1 plus t square. So these four boxes you have to remember. In that first one, tan x by t is equal to t. This one you have to remember. Next, dx is equal to 2 by 1 plus t square into dt. Next, cos x is equal to 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square, and sin x is equal to 2t by 1 plus t square. The four boxes you have to remember while solving the problems. Here let we do some problems based on this. So let evaluate integration of 1 by 5 plus 4 cos x into dx. So I am taking the equation as 1. So by using the working rule, here I am taking tan x by t is equal to t. By differentiating this one, we are getting here tan dx is equal to 2 by 1 plus t square into dt, and cos x equal to 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square. Now substitute 3 and 4 in equation 1. It becomes 1 becomes integration of 1 by 5 plus 4 cos x equal to integration of 1 by 5 plus 4 into cos x. Cos is nothing but 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square, and dx is equal to 2 by 1 plus t square into dt. By doing LCM, it becomes 1 by 5 into 1 plus t square plus 4 into 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square into 2 by 1 plus t square into dt. By simplification, it becomes 5 ones are 5 plus 5t square plus 4 ones are 4 minus 4t square by 1 plus t square into 2 by 1 plus t square into dt. By simplification here, 5t square minus 4t square is t square, 5 plus 4 is 9 by 1 plus t square. So here 1 plus t square, 1 plus t square cancel. I am sending 2 outside. So it becomes 2 into integration of 1 by t square plus 9 into dt. So here 9 can be written as 3 square. So it becomes 2 into integration of 1 by t square plus 3 square into dt. So it is in the form of integration of 1 by x square plus a square into dx. It is nothing but 1 by a into tan inverse of x by a. So by applying in this formula, it becomes 2 into integration of 1 by 3 into tan inverse of t by 3 plus c. Now by applying t as tan x by 2 from equation 2, it becomes 2 by 3 into tan inverse of tan x by 2 by 3 plus c. So this is the simplification of model 1. So next, I am taking one more problem based on model 2. So here evaluate integration of 1 by 4 plus 5 sin x into dx. So let I am taking the equation as 1. So by working rule, here same tan x by t is equal to t. By differentiate, what you are getting here, dx is equal to 2 by 1 plus t square into dt, and sin x is equal to 2t by 1 plus t square into, right. So these values you can write directly, no need to simplify again. So by substituting 3 and 4 in equation 1, it becomes 1 by 4 plus 5 into sin x. Sin x nothing but 2t by 1 plus t square into dx nothing but 2 by 1 plus t square into dt. So by doing LCM, integration of 1 by 4 into 1 plus t square plus 5 into 2t by 1 plus t square into 2 by 1 plus t square. So by simplification, it becomes 1 by 4 plus 4t square plus 10t by 1 plus t square into 2 by 1 plus t square. So I'm taking 2 outside, and from denominator quadratic expression taking 2 common, and here denominator is 1 plus t square, 1 plus t square cancel. So in the next step here 2 is cancel. So here we are getting a quadratic expression 2t square plus 5t plus 2 is not a monic. For converting into monic, I am taking 2 common from the expression. So it becomes 1 by 2 into t square plus 5 by 2 into t plus 1. So now I'm converting it to complete square form. So here a square, a means t, plus write the half of the quotient of t, that is 5 by 2. 5 by 2 half is 5 by 4. Now write the result in square, minus write the square of 5 by 4, that is 25 by 16. Write the remaining constant plus 1 as it is. Now by simplification, it becomes 1 by 2 into integration of 1 by t plus 5 by 4 whole square. Here minus 25 by 16 plus 1 is how much? Minus 9 by 16. So by 9 by 16 can be written as 3 by 4 whole square. So it is in the form of 1 by x square minus a square, where x is nothing but t plus 5 by 4, a nothing but 3 by 4. So by writing in the formula 1 by 2 into 1 by 2a, 1 by 2 into a means 3 by 4 into log mod x minus a, here x means t plus 5 by 4 minus a means 3 by 4, by denominator t plus 5 by 4 plus 3 by 4 plus c. Simply integration is over, so you can write c. Now by simplification, here 1 2 2 is 4, 4 4 is cancelled, so write the remaining coefficient 1 by 3 into log mod 4t plus 5 minus 3 by 4 by 4t plus 5 by 3, 5 plus 3 by 4. So denominator 4 cancel. Now at the remaining simplification, 1 by 3 into log mod 4t plus 5 minus 3 2 by 4t plus 5 plus 3 8. So it becomes log mod 4t plus 2 by 4t plus 8 plus c. Now write the result of t. So it becomes 1 by 3 into log mod 4 into t nothing but tan x by 2. So it becomes 4 tan x by 2 plus 2 by 4 tan x by 2 plus 8. So next I am explaining model 3 problem now. So let I am taking a problem here. Here denominator is having sin x and cos x. So in working rule, tan x by t is equal to t, dx is equal to 2 by 1 plus t square. Here we have to take both sin x and cos x values. 2t by 1 plus t square as sin x, and cos x is 1 minus t square by 1 plus square. Now substitute 3, 4, 5 in equation 1. So it becomes integration of 1 by 1 plus sin x nothing but 2t by 1 plus t square, and cos x 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square, and dx 2 by 1 plus t square. So by doing LCM, here LCM is 1 plus t square. So 1 plus t square into 1 plus t square plus 2t plus 1 minus t square into that one. So here in denominator t square minus t square cancel. Now 1 by 2t plus here 1 plus 1 2 by 1 plus t square into 2 by 1 plus t square. So from 2t plus t I am taking 2 common, so integration of 1 by 2 into t plus 1 by 1 plus t square into 2 by 1 plus t square. So 1 plus t square, 1 plus t square cancel, 2 to cancel. Now remaining function 1 by t plus 1 into dt. It is in the form of integration of 1 by x is nothing but log mod x, log mod x nothing but t plus 1 plus c. Now apply the value of t. So it becomes log mod tan x by 2 plus 1 plus c. So this is the simplification. So I hope you are all understand this video. So try to watch the video 2 to 3 times for better understand, and try to solve these problems once it once all of you. These are very important problems in your IPE exam. And if you are like this video, please hit the like button and share to your friends, relatives who are studying in intermediate. And please subscribe my channel if you are not subscribed, and hit the bell icon for watching of my coming videos. Please stay home, stay safe at home, take care of your health and your parents' health. Please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for watching of my upcoming videos.